say goodbye to development behind closed doors. Imagine a world where you decide how the next big off-roader looks and functions. Well, Beijing Off-Road just made it a reality. On January 15th, at the Beijing Auto Museum, they officially unveiled the Beijing 81 2.0 Co-Creation Edition. This isn't just a car launch. It's a revolution where the production rights have practically been handed over to the fans. Let's dive into how this BIP model is changing the game. What is the BIP model? The transparency revolution. The biggest news isn't the car itself, but the way it was built. It's called the BIP Model Build-In-Progress. Total transparency. Instead of a secret laboratory, Beijing Off-Road opened its doors. Users could see every decision, every challenge, and every prototype in real time. Massive participation. Since August 2025, they've collected over 10,000 suggestions from 150,000 visitors across 9 cities. This isn't a marketing gimmick. It's an open-source SUV. Visibility and style. The hood slope was lowered to improve the driver's view while keeping that rugged, boxy look we love. The Digital 5 DNA. The headlights now feature 5 signal strips, a direct nod to Beijing's 5-hole grille heritage. The backpack storage. Off-roaders complained about lack of tool space. The solution. The spare tire has been replaced by a functional backpack storage box. The triple exhaust. Under the driver's door, you'll now find a triple outlet exhaust, a purely user-requested feature for a more aggressive presence. For decades, car design has been a top-down process. Manufacturers built what they thought we wanted. But in the hardcore off-road segment, users almost always modify their cars the moment they buy them. Beijing 81 is changing that. By bringing modification needs into the factory phase, users don't have to spend extra money customizing their rigs later. They feel a sense of ownership before they even buy the keys. Is it all sunshine and rainbows? Not exactly. Sorting through 10,000 suggestions is a nightmare. Balancing a hardcore off-roader's performance with a daily driver's comfort is the ultimate test for Beijing's engineers. Plus, being this transparent means if they hit a technical snag, the whole world sees it. But so far, moving from version 1.0 to 2.0 in just a few months shows they are taking it seriously. The Beijing 81 2.0 is more than an upgrade. It's a shift from a solo performance by a brand to a co-creation drama between the brand and its fans. If this works, it could change how every niche car is made in the future. Would you want to help design your next car, or do you prefer to leave it to the pros? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the future of automotive technology. See you in the next one.